when I told my wife I wanted to invite Alexa into the bedroom, I probably should have chosen my words better. Hey, we don't judge here. Love is love. But the new 5th Gen Echo Dot has just dropped, and we're excited. Smart speakers, or Amazon Snitch as we like to call it, have become a staple in most people's homes. So what's new with the 2022 version? The 5th generation of Amazon's Echo Dot has just dropped, and it's got pretty decent improvements over its 4th generation predecessor. While the new version might look almost identical to the 2020 model, there are some differences under the hood. For starters, the LED lights have had a complete overhaul, being both brighter and easier to read in direct sunlight. They also display a lot more information than before. Instead of just the time, you can read weather and alarm data, as well as any artist and track info from the music you're listening to. Larger speaker drivers and a higher excursion cone means you get twice as much bass and a punchier mid-range than in the previous model. But the biggest upgrade comes in the form of Eero Mesh capability. If you have an Eero router, the 5th Gen Echo Dot can act as a Wi-Fi extender, boosting your internet range by up to 1,000 feet. How do you use this thing? Luckily, like most smart speakers, the Echo Dot 5th Gen is super simple to set up. Find a spot with good Wi-Fi coverage and plug her in. And if you haven't already, while the Dot boots up, go ahead and download the Alexa app from your app store of choice. Follow the prompts to set up your Wi-Fi connection and account profile. While still in setup mode, the Echo's LED ring will light up orange. Once configured, that light should switch to blue, the same color it flashes when it knows we're talking to it. There are hundreds, if not thousands, of automated tasks and smart home actions that are now available with a tap or just by asking. You can use it to play your favorite music.
Alexa, play Spotify.
Okay, Spotify.
Set timers and reminders, as well as listen to your favorite podcasts. But there's one nostalgic feature that we absolutely love. The old school snooze button is everything. For those concerned about privacy, there is a little microphone mute button on top. And for everybody out there that's pissed off that I'm saying Alexa, you might use it now. Sure, it might be fake, and they're probably listening anyway. But at least you can feel semi-safe that your sleep talking won't somehow order something off of Amazon in the middle of the night. While not a monumental leap forward, the 5th Gen Echo Dot surely has enough minor tweaks and feature additions to make it worth the upgrade. The Eero Mesh capability and updated LED display is a welcome addition. However, the missing 3.5mm headphone jack is a little disappointing. We're going to give it an 8 out of 10. So how do you get your hands on one of these? Well, you've got a couple options. You can follow our purchase link that we've included in the description below and up in the top right and pick one up for $49.99. Or you could enter the Review to You drawing and try to win ours for free. And the rules? Well, they couldn't be any simpler. Just make sure you subscribe to the channel, like this video, and then leave a comment in this video with the hashtag we hid somewhere in today's review. We then use a highly sophisticated random selector to choose our winner. Winners will always be announced right here on the channel at the conclusion of every month in our Winners Compilation video. And if you want more exclusive Review to You content and perks, such as badges, emojis, and members-only giveaways, then become a member of our Winner Circle. This has been Review to You, where the only thing we love more than amazing gadgets is giving them away for free to you. Make sure to click that link up on the right to see our current review and giveaways, and that link up on the left to subscribe if you haven't already. Hey, and we've got a merchandise store now. You can check that out down below on the right. From Matt and Gary, we'll see you guys next time.